Hello guys and welcome back on channel. Today I show you how to answer for the Revolut crypto quiz for the LimeWire's crypto lessons to get some crypto. So let's start. Go to section crypto. Scroll to the bottom, section features, push button learn. I have filled this quiz, but I still can show you. So find LimeWire quiz, enter to this lesson, and we have 3 lessons. Lesson number 1. Read about this, and if you're ready, we can start quiz number 1. When was LimeWire launched in the AI and crypto space? 2020. What is the ticker of the LimeWire token? LMWR. What are 3 core elements of the LimeWire ecosystem? LimeWire.com, blocknode, LMWR token, and submit. Congratulations. Go to next lesson. Read this lesson, and if you're ready, we can go to next quiz. What is blocknode by LimeWire? A decentralized marketplace for the GPUs. What is Blocknode's mission? To make AI infrastructure affordable and accessible to everyone. How are the LMWR token and Blocknode connected? LMWR is payment and reward token of Blocknode. And submit. Nice. So we have quiz number 2 done. Go to lesson number 3. Read about this. And if you're ready, we can go to next quiz. What is LimeWire tagline? Create, collaborate, share. How many pieces of content have been created with the help of the LimeWire AI Studio? 500 plus million. What type of token is LMWR? Utility token. Submit. Perfect. Quiz is complete. We can check this on our list. Like you see, I got my LimeWire tokens. If you want to see how to answer for the rest of the videos, check out my previous video and I show you how to answer for all of the quiz on the Revolut what they appeared. If you have any question, put this question below this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.